Hey everybody, Kerry from Bead Warehouse, and guess what? The pearls are in. That teaser shot that I did last week, well, they are here and they are even nicer in person. These are the really big fireballs. You can see the great luster in them. There's going to be a slight graduation, but there's no dead spots. They are just absolutely incredible. And I use a lot of puffery in this business. You all know that I use puffery, and puffery is using adjectives about how beautiful everything is and how great it is. But I want to tell you, if you want fireballs, this is the fireballs. Let's see if we could zoom in. Look at that. Look at those fireballs. Look how beautiful that luster is. Let's look at that pearl. Yeah, they're pricey. They're $500 a strand. But if you want the best fireballs you've ever seen, I've got the fireballs. I only have 6 strands. One of these is already spoken for, and hopefully some more will get spoken for. Let's look at the luster in these. And I'm not using any photo editing. Well, this is a video. I'm not using any video editing to make these look better. These are... Yep. Strands are 16 inches. Like I said, these are large. These are about 15 millimeter across and about 20 to 22 millimeters long. Hey, if you like our videos and want to see these first before anybody else, you need to subscribe to our YouTube channel. It doesn't cost anything to subscribe, and we love our subscribers. And we're going to hit 1,000 subscribers pretty soon, and that's going to allow us to actually sell things on YouTube. Hopefully it'll allow us to do that. And we do that, we will have special deals for our YouTube people only. And as a thank you, so we're going to do special deals on YouTube when we hit 1,000 subscribers. So hey, you could be one of those people to go and get us to 1,000. You all have a great day.